In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and enhance a photo using ChatGPT. This tutorial is designed to guide you step by step through the entire process, ensuring you can easily follow along and achieve the results you desire. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open ChatGPT by navigating to chat.openai.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll have an opportunity to create one there. Make sure you're logged in so that you can proceed with starting a new chat session. With ChatGPT open and you logged in, the next step is starting a new chat. On the left-hand sidebar of the interface, you'll notice an option labeled as New Chat, with a plus icon next to it. Go ahead and click on this to initiate a fresh conversation. This will set the stage for uploading your image and receiving the modifications you need. Now that you're in a new chat, direct your attention to the message box at the bottom of the screen. You'll see either a plus icon or a paperclip symbol there, which serves as your gateway to uploading content. Click on either icon, and a menu will appear presenting you with the option to upload a file or an image. Select this option to proceed with the next important step. At this stage, you'll need to pick the particular photo you wish to enhance. A file browser window should pop up, allowing you to navigate your computer's various folders. Carefully browse through your files until you find the photo you want to work with. Once located, select the photo by clicking on it, which will prepare it for uploading to ChatGPT. With your photo selected, it's time to provide some specific instructions to ensure ChatGPT knows exactly what you'd like done. In the message box, you could type something like, "Here's my photo. Please make it sharper and remove the background." These instructions are crucial as they guide the AI on what transformations you want for your image. Finally, after you've typed out your instructions and are ready to see the magic happen, simply press Enter. By doing so, you send your photo and instructions to ChatGPT, where it will begin processing. ChatGPT will work on enhancing your photo according to your instructions, and shortly thereafter, you'll receive the modified image. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can easily enhance your photos using ChatGPT, all from the convenience of your computer. This method opens the door to a variety of creative possibilities, allowing you to refine and perfect your images with ease. We hope this tutorial was clear and helpful, and we look forward to seeing what amazing results you achieve with your image enhancements. Thank you for watching, and happy photo editing!